Won't you take me home? Give me with your vibe. We can run away.
Hello sa tanan mga kalakwatsyero Koreana mo. Ay!
Won't you take me home and give me with your fire? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in
What's up mga kalakwatsyero dyan? Good morning! Today namin diri sa Guzmana Avenue guys. Ayan, as you can see sa akong background, dahil silang mga flowers. They have also restaurant para diri ta mag-breakfast today. So nindot kayang kalangitan today, nindot siya ilang. Ayan, so let's explore the beauty guys o ilang garden ng mga flowers diri sa Guzmana Avenue. So today namin diri sa Guzmana Avenue guys, diri sa specifically sa Barangay Lunutan, Sibulig, Himoog City guys. Ayan, so let's say for the moment guys, ato explore ang ilang garden diri sa ilaha sa Guzmana Avenue guys. Then diri po nag-breakfast today with Dave. Ayan, so makita nato sa likod ang pakanindot nga mga flowers, non-flowering plants and mga napoy mga flowers lugar. Ayan. Then as I observe today, nindot kayo ang atong weather today. Ayan, so weather update tayo today. Ayan, very nindot kayo ang kalangitan. So nice kayo ilaag-laag today diri sa kabukiran sa ilaha sa Himoog City to Claveria. Okay, very nice kayo ang weather today guys. Nasa yung mga pine trees. Ayun guys, na-observe na mo dayon nga daghan na kay mga bisita nga nangabot today. Again guys, wala na ako na-mention a while ago dito sa akong intro nga ang ilang entrance fee diri sa Guzmana Avenue is only 20 pesos, no? So,
20 pesos if you want to spend your weekend with nature. So, come and visit Guzman Avenue.
then very much affordable guys ang ilang entrance. Dili siya much higher ang iyang price for the entrance fee. Very much affordable ang 20 pesos. Then ma-explore na nimo ang ilahang garden diri. Then if wala ta nag-bring og foods lugar, they have also restaurant. So today diri mi nag-breakfast. At 6 AM nagbiyahe mi from Hingoo City sa ilahan ni Dave. Ayan, so daghan na kay tao. Dito sa Guzman Avenue guys, ang atong makita is nasa mga flowers, then nasa restaurant again, then nasa mga picnic cottage, then pwede po ta magstay overnight. Pungutan namin later ito ilang ilahang kuan. Ilang pang picnic cottage. Ayan, sumaw ng ilahang kuan. Restaurant nila diri sa taas.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Hi guys, so today i-check na to ang ilang rooms diri sa Guzman Avenue guys. So they have 1,200 nga rooms, good for 2 persons. Then they have also 800 pesos nga rooms nila, good for 2 persons. Then if mag-additional taog bed lugar, so only 150 pesos. Ayan, check na to ang sulod guys kung saan ang ilahang kadako. So expect sa 1,200, medyo luagid siya lugar kay 1,200 man siya. Then ang ilahang CR is separated siya, manaog pa sa gawas. At least doon naman po ng CR sa ilang rooms. Dili siya ingatan to layo. Ayan, check na to sulod. Karon naata diri sila ang cottage nga worth 1,200. So makita na to ang ilang bed guys. So good for 2 persons siya. So sa 1,200 luagid good siya. So nasa sila mga closet, tanganan sa mga kung sa atong dala mga salina o uban pa. Ayan. The nice kana adin siya kanang rug balcony bitaw guys. Ayan na sa balcony, so pwede na ito mga sigo lugar o makita na ito ang mga view lugar sa bukid. Ayan, dito ang nasa
always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Hi mga kalokotsero, parihan na mo.
Hi
so,
guys!
Kung gusto ninyo ma-explore ang nature and its finest beauty, why not visit din sa Guzman Avenue.
Ayan, so don't forget to subscribe guys our YouTube channel, Ian Nakachero Vlog. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you for watching.
Yeah,
Bye!
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?